In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover and manage ChatGPT conversations. 2026 guide. There's a key difference between chats that are truly deleted and ones that are simply hidden. If you manually deleted a chat and confirmed it, current guidance is clear. It can't be recovered through the interface, the API, or support. The good news is that most lost threads are actually archived. Archiving removes them from your sidebar, but keeps them securely stored in your account history, ready to be brought back when you need them. To restore an archived chat, open ChatGPT, click your profile icon in the bottom left and choose Settings. In the Settings panel, select Data Controls, find Archived Chats, and click Manage. You'll see a list of stored conversations. Browse the entries and click the Unarchive icon, the folder with an arrow, to send a thread straight back to your active sidebar. If a title looks generic, open it here to confirm it's the one you want before restoring. Changes sync quickly, so it will reappear across devices. You can also use search to locate an archived thread. In 2026, archived chats remain part of your account's search index. Use the search bar at the top of the sidebar and type in distinctive keywords you remember, project names, file names, or exact phrases. If the conversation appears, that means it's archived and you can open it immediately. Keep in mind that once a chat is permanently deleted, it disappears from search as well, so no keywords will bring it back. There's one special case to remember: temporary chat mode. Sessions started in this mode never show up in your sidebar or history. They're retained for up to 30 days for safety monitoring, but you can't move them into permanent history later. If you think you'll need a record, switch out of temporary chat before you begin, or copy key content into a saved thread so it's easy to find later. Also know that deleting a conversation doesn't automatically clear what the model stored as memories. This data is kept separate from your chat list. To review or remove those, go to Settings, then Personalization, and choose Manage Memory. You may find specific preferences or facts there, even if the source chat is gone, which can be helpful for restoring context without the original thread. That's the workflow. When in doubt, archive to declutter and reserve deletion for anything you truly want gone forever. And that is all for today. Remember, archive when you want to declutter and only delete when you're sure you want it gone forever. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you